This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So, starting off with the color, this year I went with deep purple for one simple reason. Purple, it's my favorite color, so that decision was pretty easy. It looks like a dark gray, even black in certain lighting, but at times you're still able to tell that it's purple. Even though purple is my favorite color, I still think that the midnight green from the iPhone 11 Pro Max has been the best color and finish on an iPhone Pro model yet. But let's see if with some time, deep purple can overthrow it. When Apple first revealed this year's iPhone 14 Pros, they led with what I believe to be the best feature coming to this year's iPhones. The Dynamic Island. It's Apple's replacement for the notch, and I think it's awesome, bringing the hardware and software together to improve the overall experience. The island is slightly smaller than the notch and also provides plenty of software features as well. Lastly, Apple has brought the always-on display to the iPhone and given it the Apple Touch. Instead of just a black screen with only just a date and time, Apple takes your lock screen, dims it down so that you're still able to make out your wallpaper or your photos. You're still able to make out some of the colors on your lock screen, along with the widgets as well. While this isn't for everyone, since plenty of reviewers have complained about it, I myself find it not only helpful but practical as well. We'll just have to wait and see how this affects the battery life on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Well, these have been just some of my initial impressions on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Stay tuned for a full review. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell to stay notified, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.